Hey guys, it's Maymay, and can you even believe that it is October of 2021 and we're revealing the October stamp set? I literally cannot wrap my head around it. It is so cool that we're in October. The reason I say that is because this is my season, October, November, December, my fave. This stamp set, it's one I have wanted for a while. I'll show you why, I'll point out why, but I'm really excited about it. But before I show it to you, I want to encourage you and invite you to join our stamp club. This is our club reveal. So every month, twice a month, we reveal a new stamp set. Depending on which club you're in, either our original club, which is this one, or our scripture club. The information for that is in the description below. And as a club member, you get a 15% discount in our store. Okay, let's look at this guy. Are you ready? Let's flip it over. Look how cute this is. This one is called Blessed Beyond Belief. And there's a reason that we did this set. In my current line, we have a Thankful, Grateful, Blessed stamp set that I don't think we could do better. It's beautiful and it's big words and I love it. But I wanted little words and I wanted some little things to go with it. And I'll show you what those are. So I wanted the word grateful, thankful, and blessed, but I wanted to make it like a sentiment. Okay, so here's what we give you. We give you for you, so very, to know you forever I am, because of you, when I think of you, and that you're in my life. And those sentiments work with these, and you'll see it on our samples. They work back to these words so great, and I'm super excited. Now, the next thing I wanted was big leaves. I don't have big leaves in my current line. I've got smaller leaves and I've got some stitch leaves, but I wanted something different. I wanted to do something that showed my ... love, right? So these leaves are ... dashed. So you'll notice inside, they're not stitch lines. Those are actually ... that Sylvia created for me because that's what I wanted. So you get these leaves that are all ... dashed and some little twigs for filler. Let me show you our samples. I love how these turned out. Let me start with this beautiful one that Shannon did. So this one is inspired from Pinterest. I think it's beautiful. Notice she's got so very thankful at the top. And when you open it up, it says that you're in my life. See how you can use those sentiments together. Now this card, we've actually filmed the process of all of these I'm going to show you. So Tamitha is going to be editing those and just putting those up for you guys to see. So you'll be able to see our process of how this was done because I know you'll want to know. These are super fun. Let me say this to you though. As with all of my stamp sets, you get a free SVG, and these leaves were done with the SVG. And what I did was I took 5 pieces of cardstock in fall colors, and I cut the SVG 5 times, and that gave me a bunch of leaves. So Shannon and I just dug into my leaf pile to make these. Oh, my leaf pile. That's funny, because that's what it is. Oh, let me show you, because we have leftovers. Look how cute they are. They're so cute. And I just cut these with the free SVG using my Joy. And let me show you the ... dash up close. Isn't it cute? So cute. I love it. All right, let me show you the other samples. Look how many leaves we have left. We can make bunches of cards with those.
Garland.
Oh, a garland would be so cute. Can y'all hear Shannon in the background? That was a good idea. This one is the one I made, also inspired by Pinterest. I love the idea of the wreath out here. I used the twigs sticking out. This is just a 2-inch circle punch that I stamped So Very Grateful for You on. The inside of this one is blank, but I'll tell you why. I had planned to stamp inside of it, and I started the process, and this was it. And as I did it, I thought, no, that's too pretty to put inside the card. I'm going to make it the outside. Now, do I think it's okay to make the inside of your cards pretty? Yes, I do. But I really wanted to do an example of just stamping in case you didn't want to cut out leaves. And I thought this was a really good example. Now, what I also did to this one, again, I filmed my process. We'll put that up. I used these Nuvo drops, these two, and also glossy accents to kind of give it this little dot, this kind of water effect, little color effect, and I love that. So this one's not stamped on the inside. It just is on the outside because I'm waiting on it to dry. And then I may go back and stamp on the inside as well because I think it'd be pretty inside to mimic this again, but not add the dots. Wouldn't that be neat? So that is our 3 samples. Let me lay this where it won't get messed up. I love how these turned out. These are very me, very fall cards. I think they're very Shannon too. Like that's so Shannon, right?
Yes.
Love it. Okay, do not forget that every month we do a giveaway for you guys. All you have to do is make a project using this stamp set, load a photo of it to our customer gallery, and you are entered to win a $50 gift card that we give away at a reveal every month. That means there's a lucky winner today. Their name is listed first line of the description below in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's free to subscribe to the channel, but also to the Stamp Club. You won't dislike it. I promise you won't. I try very hard to give you something new and fresh. I love the dot dot dash on this, and I love the size of these leaves. You're going to be able to do a lot with this. I love the idea of making a garland, like Shannon said. Very good idea. All right, guys, thank you so much for being here today, and until next time, bye now.